Hi, my name is Marina Emilia, and the toy that will stay on the jaw of a fairy stay and visit a fabric. I will show you the animal. Chat caught my attention and the chat and I feel very funny. The three animals inside were a zebra, and the funny legend is chat in the act, and baby and looking like a donkey. It was very curious. There is love and the voice Liam. His very day will they some chat and is the king of the hungry and is so pretty and it is scared it is better not go in bad is games. The three animals in front was the third giraffe and the horses and Freddy. The four animals they saw verses and me there and called my attention was a little monkey. The lady is currency. The feet and side in marines and pray it was the end. The are rally wheels and the law on its day only true was hip-hop. It was take and the forest is the lagoon. I hope is the forest is. That you ready? Watch for the videos. Bye.